This video I will show how to write this symbol content as member in Microsoft Excel. So guys, you want to write this type of symbol. So click on this insert tab and here click on equation. Then select it, this contents as member. You can use this shortcut slash and ni, then space slash in. So this is the useful way you can write any type of symbol. On equation editor, then slash and type. Like this. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you and please share, like and subscribe this channel.